Are you okay?
This is the outfit of the day. Well, of the night, of the evening. It's the Met Gala here in Chicago, and there's an event. So this is what I am wearing for the evening. The jacket is thrifted. It is synthetic fur, okay? I don't know what pattern this is, but it's giving all of them. And this bag came from Murray, Black-owned company. I will try to tag them on the socials. And like I said, my thing came from Target. So I just wanted to add a little like red to give to that that old black excellence style. Look, was technically inspired by Janelle Monáe, so yeah, there's that. Okay, I have to go, and of course, I look fabulous.
All done? Olivia, do you want some spaghetti?
No thanks. I ate spaghetti yesterday.
Well, spaghetti is what you have to eat.